Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best golf cart lift kit is probably one of the most sought-after modifications for golf cart owners, promising a smoother ride on uneven terrains, improved handling, and a more aggressive look. This comprehensive review dives deep into the world of lift kits, exploring the various types available, installation processes, and crucial factors to consider before making a purchase, helping you choose the perfect lift kit to elevate your golf cart experience. Number 5. GTW6 Golf Cart Lift Kit. This lift kit is designed for Club Car DS gas electric models from 1982 to 2003.5. It offers a simple bolt-on installation with no cutting or welding required. Installation is a breeze. Full-color instructions are included to guide you through each step. It's designed for a straightforward, user-friendly experience. It features adjustable camber and toe settings. Plus, grease fittings make maintenance simple and convenient. Experience a smoother ride, even on rough terrain. The increased suspension travel makes it perfect for off-road adventures, and it allows for up to 23 tall tires. It boasts a durable construction with urethane bushings and a high-gloss black powder-coated finish. It's built to last and look great. Please note, this lift kit requires metal steel dust covers on the front hub. If your cart has plastic dust covers, a different lift kit is needed. What we like. It boasts a no-cutting, no-weld design for easy installation. Its adjustable camber and toe settings ensure a smooth ride. If you value ease of installation and a comfortable ride, this is the lift kit for you. What people say. This product was complete and very easy to install. Expect May 2nd hours if you have all the tools, which is not many. Put this on a 2003 Club Car Precedent DS. Everything fit, and no modifications were needed. Being a mechanic by trade, I was just going to build my own lift kit. But then I found this. Clean and easy to install kit. Colored instructions. Great value and high quality. 2000 Club Car. I installed 23-inch tires with plenty of room. Number 4. HECASA 6 Golf Cart Lift Kit. It fits Club Car DS models from 1982 to 2003.5, both gas and electric versions. This lift kit is a perfect upgrade for your golf cart. It extends the wheelbase, making your ride more stable. Plus, it gives your golf cart a tougher, all-terrain look. It's made from premium steel for extra durability. The powder-coated matte black finish is built to last. You get everything you need, front and rear lifts, all the hardware, and easy-to-follow instructions. Everything is included for a smooth installation. Installation is a bolt-on process, with instructions provided. While some models may require drilling, professional installation is always recommended for the best results. See how easily it transforms your golf cart. Enjoy a smoother, more stable, and stylish ride with this upgrade. What we like. This lift kit is made from high-quality steel for superior strength and durability. The extended wheelbase significantly improves stability. If you prioritize a rugged, stable, and long-lasting lift kit, this is an excellent choice. Number 3. RHOX 6A-Arm Lift Kit. Upgrade your Club Car Precedent with this easy-to-install lift kit. It's compatible with both gas and electric models from 2004 onwards. This kit provides everything you need to lift both the front and rear of your golf cart. No need for any welding or cutting. It features a simple bolt-on design and includes easy-to-follow instructions for a smooth installation process. It's designed to fit Club Car Precedent models from 2004 and up, regardless of whether they are gas or electric. With a 6-inch lift, it allows for up to 23-inch tall tires, giving you increased ground clearance and a more aggressive look. This kit offers a complete solution for lifting your golf cart, with easy installation and compatibility for various models. Enjoy the enhanced ground clearance and style upgrade. What we like. It offers a simple bolt-on installation with no welding or cutting required. Everything you need for a complete lift is included in the box. If you prefer a straightforward, hassle-free installation process, this is the ideal option. What people say. The lift went on as expected with no problems. It took about 2.5 hours. The cart's handling is great, very stable at 20 mph plus even with the 6-inch lift and 23 tires. I just finished the install last night. It was relatively easy, took about 2 hours by myself. The ride seems good as well. Very pleased with the product. Really easy to install. Only issue was that the front driver's side spindle was bent, and within 3 days of letting them know I received a new one. Their product and customer service is amazing. Number 2. 3G10 Colossus Lift Kit. Upgrade your club car DS golf cart with this comprehensive lift kit. It's designed for models from 1984 to 2003, giving you a significant height advantage. This kit is designed for a smooth installation process. You'll enjoy a seamless upgrade without unnecessary hassle. Get a commanding 10-inch lift. It provides superior ground clearance and a more aggressive look. With increased ground clearance, it easily handles rough terrain. Enjoy a smoother ride on any course. It's built to last with high-quality materials. This ensures long-term performance and reliability. Experience the power and performance of the Colossus Lift Kit. It's the ultimate upgrade for your club car DS. This kit is specifically designed for club car DS models from 1984 to 2003. Ensure compatibility before purchasing. What we like. This kit includes 10 Colossus tires for a substantial lift and improved ground clearance. It's a complete kit with everything needed for installation. If you want maximum lift and aggressive tire upgrades, this is the kit for you. What people say. Everything fit right and was well made. Product quality is pretty good. This made my golf cart the talk of the town. Installed fairly easy. Number 1. 3G Deluxe Lift Kit for Club Car Precedent. Upgrade your Club Car Precedent golf cart with this premium lift kit. It's designed for superior performance and a smoother ride. This kit significantly increases your ground clearance, allowing you to navigate challenging terrain with ease. Enjoy a more comfortable ride on any surface. The kit comes complete with 10-inch Wolverine wheels, providing a stylish and robust upgrade to your golf cart's look and feel. They're built to last. Designed for straightforward installation, it saves you time and effort. Detailed instructions are included to guide you through each step. It's constructed from high-quality, durable materials, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliability. Enjoy years of dependable use. Give your club car Precedent a complete makeover with this deluxe lift kit. It's the perfect blend of style and functionality. What we like. This deluxe kit comes with 10 Wolverine tires, providing a significant lift and enhanced style. It's a comprehensive package for a premium upgrade. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line lift kit with premium tires and a stylish look, this is the one for you. What people say. Used for 2008 Club Car Precedent. Turned out great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.